Hello, good morning. How are you, my tiny tots? Are you enjoying seeing videos? Yes, very good. So today it's our revision session. Numbers from 1 to 5. So let's begin. Let's revise these numbers with the objects. 1 watermelon. 1 watermelon. 2 mangoes. How many mangoes we have? 2 mangoes. 1, 2. How many mangoes? 2 mangoes. 3 pineapples. 1, 2, 3. How many pineapples do we have? 3 pineapples. 4 bananas. 4 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bananas we have? 4 bananas. 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples we have? 5 apples. Now it's an activity time. See children, what do I have here? I have colorful beads here. They are of different colors. And I have numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to place these colorful beads in the bowls here. Now let's begin. Which color bead is this? White color. And how many beads do I have in my hand? 1. So I will place this 1 bead in the bowl of number 1. Now, which number is this? 2. And which color beads do I have here? So, I will place this yellow color bead in number 2 bowl. 1, 2. Now, which number is this? 3. And which color beads do I have here? Blue color. Now, I will place these blue color beads in number 3 bowl. 1, 2 and 3. 3 blue color beads. Now, which number is this? Number 4. And which color beads do I have in my hand? Green color. So, I will place this green color beads in this bowl. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 green color beads. Now, which number is this? 5. And which color beads do I have here? Red color beads. Now, I will place this red color beads in 5 number bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 red color beads. Children, see, we have segregated these colorful beads according to their numbers. White color for 1, yellow color for 2, blue color for 3, green color for 4 and red color for 5. So children, did you enjoy the activity? Yes? Very nice. Okay then, bye. Take care. See you in the next session. Stay safe and healthy at home.